What's up guys? So for today we're going to be unboxing a couple of Honda parts that I got for my friend with the white Integra. He needed a couple of parts to fix his car. He bought piston rings and a timing belt for now. And he's going to do that. We're going to take it to a shop so they could do it soon. But I'm going to just unpack it for him really quick just so we can see if it's the parts. So there's the timing belt. This is the part number right here if you're looking for one. Let me see, I'm gonna try to focus it right there. Original timing belt, might as well. And then we got piston rings. They're all in here for the 4 piston rings. What does it come with? Just a little bit of packaging. And then this is the part number for the piston rings if you guys are looking for them. Original piston rings. Try to focus it right there. I'm not gonna open them though. Just gonna keep them like this. We'll come up with the update later on once we start doing stuff to the car. Alright, so it's a couple days later. We're gonna go to the mechanic right now. I just gave him his parts. And then I'm gonna take my car too so we could have a ride back because I'm pretty sure he's gonna leave his car. And our other friend right now with the silver GSR, he's over there too, doing a couple stuff to his car. So, we're about to go head out to the shop real quick. Putting control arms on his GSR right now, upper control arms. Just did one side, we're doing another side right now. Megan Racing.
One eternity later.
Let's go pick up Benny's GSR. It right here still looks all dirty, so I need to clean it up. But look, when they machined his head, look how new it looks. Machine polished it, everything. This is it right here. So I'm currently driving his car right now. I'm going to his house since he was busy. I'm gonna go so he could drive it right now. Right now, since he just did all this work, he can't push the car obviously because it's like a break-in period for like I don't know how long, but yeah, he can't be pushing it right now. So I'm just driving slow, 5th gear. So just go to his house really quick. Alright, just got to his house. You can see his old car right there. His automatic GS, which used to be my old car. And the only thing is, it still has the ABS light, but it's just the relay that we're gonna have to find out. So we're gonna have to do that soon. But other than that, car's pretty good right now. It's good. Behaving good. Everything's good. Just gotta wait for him now. So basically what he did to his car is, let me see what I remember. He took it to the mechanic shop. He did head gasket because it needed it. It had a blown head gasket. There was a lot of smoke coming out, which was the problem was worn piston rings. So he got OEM piston rings. He changed the timing belt. It already had a pretty new water pump and tensioner. He did the valve cover gasket. They did the distributor O-ring for him, which I need to do as well. They changed one of the main radiator hoses as well. Did the oil change, fluid, what else? Coolant. And they machined the head, machined and polished everything. So his car should be running good it's at 130,000 miles right now, so this car should last for a long time after all of that stuff that he did. Nice, I just turned on the car and the ABS went away, so One less problem. Oh well.